Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert Microsoft Word document to a PDF file very easily and for free. So to convert a Word document to a PDF, you can use two methods. One method is if it's available on your window, there is a plugin to convert Word to PDF, and it's already if it's available in your Windows. What you need to do is you just simply need to go to this start menu here for Windows, and you just need to click save as, and make sure if you have this option in save as type. If you have PDF, then it's okay and you don't need to do anything, and you just need to choose this PDF format and save your file, and it will convert your Word file to a PDF file. Okay, but if this plugin is not installed in your system and you don't see any save as type as PDF, there is a other method for converting your document file or Word file to a PDF file, and this is using a website called free PDF convert. Okay, and you can search for this website by just typing in your browser free PDF convert, and the first link you will find here is www.freepdfconvert.com. And in here, when you open this website, you will see interface like this. What you need to do, you just need to click the select file from here and convert your file. So what I'm going to do, I will just click this button, select file. I'll go to the file, PDF file, where I have saved this PDF file. Not a PDF file, I'm sorry, but the document file which I want to convert into the PDF file, right? So just select your docs file or Word file and open this, and this will be loaded in your system, and you just need to click this convert button then. So convert, and it will convert your Word file to the PDF file, and now the conversion is done. So what you need to do, you just need to download it. So click this download button, and once you click this download button, you will be able to see your PDF file or Word file is converted into the PDF file. I can open this PDF file here, and you can see my PDF file is here, and this was my Word file, and I have successfully converted this Word file to the PDF file. So in this way you can convert your Microsoft Word file to PDF file very easily and for free. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.